Hello student. Today we have to learn proxy server. This server can be used internet purpose. The proxy server is an intermediary server between client and the internet. Means one machine to other services server. Proxy server offers the following basic functionality like as firewall and network data filtering. This firewall can be secure your corrupted data or network data filtering the any current of viruses can be does not support the server. Network connection sharing, it is a machine to machine sharing or many machine to other machine sharing. Data caching, it is the number of graphics, images, video likes. Data caching is the main feature of proxy server. The purpose of proxy servers is monitoring and filtering the data. This monitoring data and filtering data has been stored in one server which does not address for our sentence. Improving the performance for the server or our net speeds. Translation, accessing service autonomously or anonymously. Security, the main thing of the proxy server is improving performance and security of our system or servers. Then we have to learn one by one features of proxy server. First is monitoring and filtering. Proxy server allows us to several kinds of filtering such as content filtering, filtering encrypted data, bypass filters, logging and invert dropping. This logging is converted into images or graphics file. Content filtering is the manage our data file or likes doc file or other files. Filtering encrypted data means all the files are secure for our machine. Bypass filter means the any kind of difficulty you have to bypass of the data and main files. Next is improving performance. It is fasten the service by process of retrieving content from the caching which was saved when previous request was made by the client. Means when client request to the server he cannot found any address, then the retrieving content cache was saved this request, and when it can be found you can response for the client. Translation, it helps to customize the resource site for local user by excluding source content or substitute source content with original local content. In this, traffic from the global user is routed to the source website through the translation proxy. This proxy server can be substitute source containing with original local content. Means if we have to save your original data in one local server or any server, you can substitute source can be contained, excluded source can be contained in your source site. Accessing service anonymously mean continuous you have to request and response information retrieval is enabled. In this, destination server receive the request from the anonymizing proxy server and thus does not receiving information about the end user. Means it can be client information if end user has been anonymously accessed the request. Security, the proxy server hides the identity of the user, hence it protects from spam and the hacker attacks. Mean any miscellaneous files or virus files can be protect this proxy server. Types of proxy server. First type is forward proxy. This client requests to internal network server to forward the internet. Show in this diagram. Example of internet is the user, proxy server and internet. In how to work forward proxy server. Firstly, send a request in proxy server. Then this request proxy server search in internet means clouds. It can be sent response and then client response. This is a simple diagram of forward proxy. Second is open proxy. Open proxy helps to the client to conceal their IP address while browsing the web. In this diagram, we have to use user, proxy server and internet. Again, user send a request and internet send a response. Means many machine to many machine, server to server. It is a middle server. Last is reverse proxy. The request for forwarding to one or more proxy server and the response from the proxy server is travel as if it came directly from the original server. This example show the reverse proxy. In internet and users send a request proxy server or web server. It is a many of proxy server. It can be response to user. This example can be used many times like as amazon.com, yahoo.com or any shopping or commercial websites. Architecture of proxy server. It is the main stages of proxy server. First stage is configuration, log manager, cache manager, connection manager, proxy server listener and interface. In configuration, we have to get hardware part. Log manager, you have to log in or successfully log in your internet. Cache manager can be share your data or database files. Connection manager can be convert into net connection. Proxy server listener can be save your request or response time. This listener can be observe your request or response objects. Proxy server interface can be searching your information and get your data. This stage architecture is the main thing of our proxy server. The user proxy user interfaces main thing that this module control and manage the user interface and provides an easy to the use graphical interface windows and a menu to the end user. Following is the main functional: start proxy, stop proxy, exit, blocking URL, blocking client, manage log, manage cache, modify configuration. In this interface, we have to use these stages for the functionality of proxy user interface.